What's going on? Today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter on a 2013 Toyota Corolla. Let's get to it. To access to the cabin filter is behind the glove box. I'm going to open it. There's some tabs that you're going to push inwards, left side and right side. Let me pause it. So once you push it at the same time, the tabs, you're going to notice that little strut. You reach in and you pry it out with your finger gently. Then it drops. The filter is behind the glove box. There's the door. That's the orientation of the door, not the filter. Now push the tab, opens up. Notice where the orientation of the filter is, pointing downward. This is why you need to change your filter at least once a year or sooner. On the new filter, there's no orientation tab, but we're going to assume, since the letters are facing the correct way, the airflow is downward. We're going to put it back in. Once it's seated, put the door back in. To put the door back in, there's a little hook in this corner. You just hook it in there and pretty much snap this in place. You're done. Now it's time to put the glove box back in. Before you put the glove box back in, you gotta line the little strut. Make sure you hook that outlet right there to that little tab. In order to hook it, you need two hands, so I had to pause it. You gotta lift it slightly and hook it at the same time. At this time, just pretty much close the glove box. It'll snap in. And you're done. Subscribe and like this video. I'm going to be releasing another one doing oil change on the 2013 Toyota Corolla.